Hello and welcome to Nota. I'll be teaching you a little bit more about how to get started. First, you'll want to go to trustnota.com to log in. Next, you'll be brought to a screen where you can fill out your contact information, password, and phone number, and to review terms and conditions. Next, you'll be sent a verification email to the email address you indicated. Go to your email and verify your account with Nota by clicking Verify. Next, you'll be brought to a screen where you can log in again. You'll then be brought to a screen where you can fill out your firm name, your practice areas, and your role at your firm. Next, you will be asked to link your M&T Iola account using your M&T username and password. You will only need to do this upon initial login. To assist you with reconciliation, fill out your client information and what portion of your Iola balance represents that client as of today. Add each client, or you can assign remaining funds later at the bottom of the screen. When you're finished, simply select the Done feature and move on to the next screen where you will view your Nota platform. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at support@trustnota.com and we'd be happy to assist you.